in my bathroom and I'm gonna attempt, sorry for the echo, it's like, I don't really have a lot of stuff in here, so it's kind of echoing me. I've been seeing this around and I think I saw it on my Snap page, and people have been doing like the heatless curls with a robe belt, and I thought, I have a robe, why not make use of it? So I'm gonna try it today. I don't know if it'll work. I don't even know how to do it properly. We're gonna watch the video and see. So we're gonna put it on top, I guess. Oh shoot, do I have to split it first? Probably. Okay. Don't like curling my hair with heat, and I rarely do it because of that. And also I'm more one to like braid my hair so that I have waves instead of curls. So if this works, I'm gonna be very excited. But you just put it on top of your head. You take a strand and you wrap it around. I think that's what she's doing. Okay, what do I do? Do I add more? Is this like a braid? I don't know. I've watched like a couple of these videos and that's what they've been saying. So I think I'm gonna do that. I don't know. Okay, well she looks like she has curls. And like my freaking robe is like falling down, the little belt, so that's cool too. Okay, this is not as good as what she's doing. I don't even know what she's doing. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. I'm going around in circles. Dude, I feel like I'm doing this like so wrong. Okay. Is this how it looks? Like, is this how it's supposed to look? Somebody tell me. Like, I don't even know. This looks so weird. I'm gonna walk downstairs and people in my house are gonna be like, what are you doing? Okay, this is not staying on. I definitely did not do this properly. Okay, let's try again. Let's try to get this like hair tie out. From that part, it looks kind of wavier. I don't know. Okay, no, we're redoing this. Let's watch this again because I clearly don't know what I'm doing. Okay, she's gathering the hair. Okay, well, first off, this video, she already has her hair already like twisted in, so a little confused on that, but I think that's what she said, like to grab it and then bring it around, maybe. All right, hair tie. I am just gonna tie like this because I don't have time to put this hair tie through that whole freaking robe. Loop. It's like really loose in the back. I don't know if I did this properly. Like, dude, I am definitely not doing this properly, but you know what? First try. Let's be real, I'm probably doing this wrong and this is probably not gonna turn out good, but we're gonna attempt it. Guys, like I'm not gonna lie, usually I'm pretty good at hair stuff, but I am getting very confused. Still confused, still do not 100% know if I'm doing this properly. This is how it looks for now until it comes loose because I feel like that's gonna happen. And like, look, this part, I feel like the back part is not gonna be curled whatsoever. It's gonna be like very loose. I don't think this is happening for me. Okay, all of these people's hair look nice, but I don't know. I'm gonna go do some homework and see how this turns out. It has been a good 4 hours. Let's see how this looks. It's literally gotten so messy because I've just been like lounging and eating and stuff. Look how messy this looks. Like, we're gonna try this again, but I'm just gonna take these out and see if there's like at least a little bit that's work. Hold up. It's like somewhat curled. I feel like if you leave it in longer, obviously it would look better. Toss my hair around to see how it looks. Also my hair gets like really frizzy easily. Maybe if I just like blow dried it fully. The only problem I have with this is that when I was adding the like hair that was like lower down here, the back was not curled at all. Like it's only the ends. I'm kind of liking like the bottom. I don't know. Okay, let's try this again. Round 2. I feel like I could have done something differently, so I'm gonna try doing that today. This time around, my hair, like I just washed my hair, so oh my god, see, look, my hair is so frizzy, holy. I just like blow dried it and then I actually like brushed it out this time because last time I did not do that. I have a new technique, or it's basically the same thing, but I'm gonna like more move it towards the back, like bring the strain towards the back a little so that the back parts can be curled a little more if this works. Okay, we're gonna tie that down so it stays. I'm gonna hold down this so that it goes around properly, like how you would on an actual like curling barrel. And I'm gonna slowly move it back so that the back side gets curled too. My fish is in my bathroom and it's literally staring at me. Oh shoot, I forgot a piece. Okay, we're just gonna add that to the other side then. It's fine. See, this time I'm doing it so that it's kind of closer to the bottom of the other side, because last time it was not at all. I'm really hoping this works. I ain't got time to do it a third time. Okay, it's a little better this time actually. I think I'm slowly improving. Ew, I don't know why I just did that to you guys. Okay, well this part is a little janky, but... Okay, so for this side, I'm actually gonna do it swirling the same way as this way, but it's not going over, it's going to go under, so that the two parts don't look weird with one side going like this way and then the other side going this way, because when you bring the hair to the back it'll just look like two opposite swirls. So I think that'll look weird, so I'm just going to put this one underneath the rope actually, so that I can get the hair going the same direction. Honestly, at this point, I'm just winging it because I don't fully know what I'm doing. But at least I have all my hair this time, and it's a little more secure than last time. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Okay, the first time that I did it, the results weren't too bad. Like, I didn't hate it, but it could have been better. So I guess we'll see with this one. I think this is the best we're gonna get with me, because I don't know why it's so difficult for me to grasp this technique. But I'm gonna let this rest and we'll come back and see how it goes, because I don't know. Okay, bye. I'm back, but we're not done. I'm just gonna like actually twist it back so that it helps the end pieces that are kind of coming down. And I'm just gonna like kind of wrap it into little buns so that hopefully it'll help, because my technique is just not the best. So I'm just gonna, I don't even know how I'm just gonna tie it off like this for now. And then when I go to bed, I'm just gonna undo it. But for now, we're just gonna keep it like this. I literally look crazy right now. Like, hopefully curls end up nicely, but this is what is happening. Good morning, guys. We are back and my hair is a little messy from my sleep, but it's all good. We're just gonna take this out and see if it actually worked, because I'm really hoping it did. Like, it looks better than before. So I had to stop the video because my mom came in. This is how it looks when it's done. I kind of like brushed it out a little bit. As you can see, way curlier from before. I think it maybe was just the timing that I left it in for. It's a little more curly than I actually like. I'm just gonna go through my day with this, because my hair does like fall pretty quickly, and see like how it goes throughout the day. I think this method worked a lot better this time, and especially the back hairs too, they are a lot more curled. I like how they all go one way. Last time it was a little bit weird. That is my little review on this hack. I think it works pretty well. This is how my hair looks now. It's fallen a little bit. It's literally been like maybe 12 or so hours. Maybe less, I don't know. I'm not good at math. I like it a lot better like this. Before, the curls were a little bit too tight for me, but I'm loving how it looks like falling down a little. So yeah, like I highly recommend you guys trying this. It's so good. That is all for my video today. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys next time, because tomorrow's a new day. Bye, guys.